opening calm but powerful. He walked alone, but millions stood behind his name. In the face of fear, he chose truth over fame. Locked behind walls, but never in chains, his voice still echoes through our veins. They tried to silence, tried to break, but he rose again for justice's sake. He is not just a man, he is a flame, burning lies, exposing shame. Imran Khan, the name they fear, a truth so loud the world must hear. Jails can't hold what hearts defend. This is not the end, this is a legend's ascend.